Cheers, friends, to molecular hydrogen gas. I'm getting ready to do a little driving out here on a beautiful sunny day here in Tri-Cities, Washington. And before every event that I'm gonna have a physical expression, right, working out in my body, I always take Hydra FX and a Hydra shot before and also a Hydra shot during and throughout my day. These here are hydrogen supplement. The first ever in the US, we're the only ones you can find it. What you do is you don't put it in water, you consume it as a supplement. And what is contained in here is everything your body requires to make its own molecular hydrogen. And it helps encourage good gut bacteria, your microflora, your gut biome. It's helping to encourage good gut health. So this is a great product. It is endorsed by the #1 world's professional doctor, scientist, Professor Oda, who founded hydrogen. And this is a product he endorses. So we've done a webinar, I'll link it up here. You can go there and learn about the benefits of taking this amazing supplement. Whether it's energy you're looking for, weight loss, inflammation, focus, any itises, arthritis, bursitis, tinnitus, hydrogen is very impactful for those things. And this helps your body make its own hydrogen. You can take one a day, take 2 a day, but it's a staple. And it even makes more hydrogen than the water. Right? It makes more than the water, and it lasts for 6 hours in your body instead of 1 hour. So if you do both, more power to you. It's great. So out here today, we're going to be hitting some balls, but I want to let you know that hydrogen helps your body with focus. So it helps bring energy to the brain so you can concentrate on things. And there's so many people in the world today that have issues with their brain health. Kids especially, from watching their cell phone all day, their neck gets out of balance, their brain gets no energy. So this is hydrogen in a form that you take in your body, and it's gonna help your body make its own, which is great for brain health. So go over to Healthy Hydration, check it out. If you don't already have our signature product, our Hydra Shot, or our new Peak H2 for athlete, game changer. All right, cheers friends, I'm gonna go out there and hit some balls and see what we can do today. See you in the next video.